Hello, my name is Nelly Ortega. I am from Coloso. I am studying the public accounting. Be green. To be environment daily. Conscious. Being environment conscious means adopting sustainable habits. Things about this. Using local products to reduce your carbon footprint. Recycle and have you wasted a second life of for waking or begging for cleaner air. I'm not saving the planet breathe. Every action could leave care for our planet for a clean, vibrant future. Thank you.